Welcome. This question from trigonometry. If sin theta is to cos theta is equal to 5 is to 12, find 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here one condition is given, that is sin theta is to cos theta is equal to 5 is to 12, and one trigonometrical expression given. We have to find out the value of this trigonometric expression. Now writing first given condition, that means sin theta is to cos theta is equal to 5 is to 12. This can be reduced to in fractional form, that means sin theta by cos theta is equal to 5 by 12. Now writing the expression to the right hand side, 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. So to find the value of this expression, we need to find the value of sin theta and cos theta. Here one equation is given, but we cannot find the value of sin theta and cos theta from one equation. Either we need two equations, or we have to use trigonometrical formulas or any other formulas so that we can find the value of sin theta and cos theta. First write this expression such that we can use the property of ratios. So writing sin theta, this 5 is transposed to the denominator of left hand side by 5 is equal to this cos theta is transposed to the numerator of the right hand side, or we may say cos theta and 5 are interchanged. It may be done cos theta by 12. Why we have written this way? Because if we assume now is equal to something, then we can express sin theta and cos theta in terms of that. So let sin theta by 5, that is equal to cos theta by 12 is equal to k. K may be called a parameter, or k may be called another variable, where k is another variable. See, now we don't know the value of k. We have to determine the value of k, but now we can express sin theta and cos theta in terms of k. So write from this equation, what we can write, sin theta by 5 is equal to k. That means taking first term and last term from here, sin theta is equal to 5k. From second and last, writing cos theta by 12 is equal to k. Next, cos theta is equal to 12k. So we have got the value of sin theta and cos theta in terms of k. Now how to find the value of k? There are formulas involving sin theta and cos theta. So we will use the formula involving sin theta and cos theta called square formula. We are showing sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now in this formula, if the value of sin theta and cos theta put, we will have an equation for k. Now from the formula, what There are so many formulas, but we are using this formula because of here involved sin and cos. One, name it equation 1. Put sin theta is equal to 5k and cos theta is equal to 12k in equation 1. So 5k set of square plus 12k square is equal to 1, or 25k square plus 144 k square, that is equal to 1, or what we are having 5 plus 4 9, 4 plus 2 6, 1 k square is equal to 1. So we may write this k is equal to plus minus under root 1 by 169, or say 169, that is equal to 13 square, or finally k is equal to plus minus 1 by 13. So there are two values of k. One is plus 1 by 13, other is minus 1 by 13. What value should we consider? If it is thought that theta lying between 0 and 90, then all values, that means all trigonometric values, are positive. Therefore we may think theta lying between 0 and 90 degree. Therefore consider the value of k, that is equal to plus 1 by and 1 by 13. Assume that 0 less theta less 90 degree. We may consider also is equal to Shanghai. Therefore easily we can find the value of sin theta. What we have seen, sin theta is equal to, from here sin theta is equal to 5k, or from this equation sin theta is equal to 5k, cos theta is equal to 12k. So find sin theta and cos theta. 5k or sin theta, that is equal to 5 by 13, where k is equal to 1 by 13. Similarly, cos theta is equal to 12k, or cos theta is equal to 12 by 13, as k is equal to 1 by 13. Now we will find the value of original expression. What is that? One minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta. Now 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to 1 minus sin theta means 5 by 13. 1 plus cos theta means 12 by 13. Now simplify. LCM 13. 13 minus 5 by 13. Directly writing 13 by 13 plus 12. 13 cancelled out. 13 minus 5, 8 is after summing 25. Therefore, the required value of 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta is 8 by 25.